TenKo Medical delivers end-to-end imaging solutions that combine extensive industry experience with flexible financing and rapid support, minimizing downtime and maximizing clinical performance. Key advantages: proven expertise, nearly 30 years as a global reseller and service provider for new, used, and refurbished medical imaging systems and parts. Turnkey solutions, comprehensive support from equipment selection and financing to installation, training, and preventive maintenance. Flexible financing, tailored leasing and purchase plans designed to optimize capital budgets and project timelines. Rapid response. Dedicated logistics and field teams ensure fast delivery, setup, and on-site troubleshooting. Product service portfolio: ultrasound machines used, refurbished. CT scanners used, refurbished. MRI scanners used, refurbished. Mammography equipment used, refurbished. X-ray equipment used, refurbished. Spare parts new, used, sourced. Spare parts and component sourcing. When you purchase parts from TenKo, you benefit from fast delivery and streamlined customs handling, OEM quality, fully tested components, affordable pricing and volume discounts, access to hard-to-find parts for GE, Philips, Siemens, Canon, Toshiba, and more, plus sourcing service for out-of-stock or legacy components. Contact us. Discover how TenKo Medical can strengthen your supply chain and elevate your customer service needs. Sales at tenkomedical.com +1 42375025525 https://tenkomedical.com/. Connect with our team in seconds, choose your preferred channel, and let's get started. Quick answers from a live specialist.